Do you know why most people fail on YouTube before they even upload a single video? It's not because they don't have ideas. It's not because they're lazy. It's because they think, I don't have the courage to show my face. And here's the sad truth. That single fear destroys thousands of dreams every single day. People stay stuck watching others succeed while their own ideas never see the light of day. But let me ask you this. What if you never had to show your face? What if you could sit behind the screen, type your thoughts, and let a professional-looking AI avatar do all the talking for you? That's not science fiction anymore. AI avatars are here, and they're changing the way YouTube works. These avatars look real, sound natural, and can present your content better than most human creators, while you stay completely invisible. Here's the shocking part. Many people know about AI avatars now, but most of them still fail. Why? Because they get lost in free tools, spend hours testing random software, and still end up with low-quality videos. Or they make a few videos, get no views, and convince themselves it's impossible. The truth is, it's not impossible. They just don't know the right system. And that's exactly why I built AI Faceless Academy. It's not just about showing you which tools to use. It's about giving you the complete roadmap to success. Inside the Academy, you'll learn how to create realistic professional AI avatars that people will actually want to watch, how to write powerful video scripts that grab attention in the first 5 seconds, how to edit, brand, and optimize your videos, even if you've never edited before, how to grow a faceless channel step by step, from 0 subscribers to monetization, and most importantly, how to turn your channel into a business that makes real income. Listen, I wasn't born confident. In fact, I hated recording myself on camera. I would record, delete, record again, delete again, until I just gave up. But then, something clicked. I realized I could use technology to tell my story without showing my face. That's when I discovered AI avatars. And everything changed. Suddenly, I wasn't hiding anymore. I was creating. And that decision opened doors I never thought possible. Growth, income, freedom. Now, my mission is simple: to help you skip the years of frustration I went through and give you the shortcut straight to results. Let me be real with you. AI is moving fast. Faceless YouTube channels are exploding right now. And in the next 6 to 12 months, the people who took action early will dominate the platform. So ask yourself, do you want to sit on the sidelines, still doubting yourself, still waiting for the right time? Or do you want to finally take control, start your faceless channel, and let AI work for you? Your choice is simple. Keep delaying and keep regretting later. Or join AI Faceless Academy today and take the exact steps that are already helping creators build faceless empires. Click the link in the description right now. Don't wait for tomorrow. Start today. I'll see you inside the AI Faceless Academy.